There we go.
Perfect. Hey, Ronan.
Hopefully they fix it. Press 35. It's locked. Oh man, they fixed it.
Whoa, the entire button.
Man, they fixed it.
Are you kidding me?
Going up.
Doesn't work.
What floor?
Y'all going 22. Y'all going up?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
We need a fob.
Yeah, y'all have now. Yeah. Hit the little green button. And then press 22.
There you
I
go.
thought she was going to 19.
No, she said 22.
Did you say 19?
I'm going to 22.
Oh.
Okay.
What y'all doing?
that's
Y'all
what she
just playing with that on the elevator.
Nah, we're filming them. We're going to 35. We didn't know how
Oh,
to get there.
okay.
We were
You press 35.
Yeah, we pressed it.
Okay. Okay, you guys.
Have a good one.
Have a great
Happy
Christmas.
holidays. Happy
I
holidays.
love it.
Have a good day. Happy holidays.
This is awesome.
Yeah, these are pretty cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Everyone be quiet so we can hear the down chime. It has such a cool effect on my phone, the indicator. I love that. You be able to watch this.
It only works if you press. Alright, so the 2 button, then
Yeah.
cancel it.
It cancels.
Yeah, it doesn't work if there's only one call.
I see.
It doesn't do that. I don't know.
There's the CO.
But this is a very nice and tall elevator.
I love the up chimes.
Same.
This is officially the tallest Mitsubishi that I've ever ridden in.
Tallest I've ridden was 62 floors.
Well, this will not be the tallest for today, probably.
Yep.
You ready?
It's epic.
The tallest one I'm riding is 30 floors.
Look at these people in the elevator. And there's room.
Hey look, are these locked? That's pretty cool.
Let's get out. What?
I got. Are these the call buttons? Are they locked?
They are.
Yeah. The one we just got.
Yeah, they fixed it.
Yep.
That's awesome.
I love the chimes on these.
All right. Hello.